Mr. Chairman, before I ask questions, I just would like to make a motion dahil merong official statement si Governor Hubahib ng Davao del Norte alleging a certain Deputy Secretary General ng House of Representatives Sopuñas Punyong Gabunada is very much into corruption. Yung details, napakaraming dinitalye niya. I would like to move for the invitation of this Deputy Secgen Sopuñas Punyong Gabunada, allegedly the bagman of the Speaker of the House, according to Davao Norte Governor Hubahib, to be invited in the next hearing.
Committee Secretary, take note.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Senator